Have you ever thought about setting up a saltwater tank and just thought, man, that's so difficult and it's so challenging? I'm here to tell you today that it's really not. Today, we're going to show you how to set one up and then also how to cycle it in 12 days with this one ingredient that we have and that we use religiously. Stay tuned.
This is the 32.5 gallon Fijicube all-in-one. Now what we did to get started was I literally put about an inch of sand, which was about 2 bags of the Carib Sea, which has live bacteria inside of it, our magic ingredient for starting this aquarium cycle. What we did was we put the dry rock, now this is not live rock, it is dry rock, inside on top of the sand. Now a lot of people will recommend that you put the rock on the glass itself first, then put the sand in, but we chose to do it this way, on top of the sand. And then we added the salt water to it. Now, after the 12-day cycle of testing every day and making sure our parameters were correct, we ended up with 0 ammonia and 0 nitrites, which made it safe for adding fish. So at that time we had quite high nitrates, so I did water changes until it got down to almost 0. And then I acclimated my fish, which I already had in another tank, and transferred them over to this tank, which made it very easy instead of getting it from a store. So I do have 2 clowns in here, and then the other one, which is hiding right now, is the 6-line wrasse, which, hey, made a great appearance at that perfect moment. Now what I wanted to do was show you the all-in-one part, which is the part behind the whole tank. Now as you can see, how we did this filtration system was we added a sock, a filter sock, and then for the next compartment over we used a Eheim heater. At this point it's set at 78 degrees, which we have bio balls in there, and just the pump to pump the water back into the aquarium itself. And then on the last section we have the rack, which houses the filter pads, and then we use the Chemi Pure Blue, but only after the cycle was complete. And this was primarily to get the water crystal clear. That's one of our secrets. On the bottom we have a couple more filter pads. And as far as the light goes, we decided to go with the Kessel A80, which is perfect for this tank. Hey, I hope this helped you all today, and it really gets you going and motivated to create your own saltwater tank or set one up. Please let me know down in the comments, and let us know if you set one up, and we'd love to see your pictures of your tanks. Thanks for showing up. Subscribe and hit the like button, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.